Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we discuss about coordination chemistry, Werner-coordination theory, okay, in which we will discuss about primary valency, secondary valency, evidence for Werner-coordination theory. 3 evidence are there: chemical evidence, depression in freezing point and molar conductance. One by one we discuss. Coordination theory. Alfred Werner has given this coordination chemistry. He is also known as father of coordination chemistry, and he forward these postulates of it. Werner coordination theory: every metal has two types of valency. Every metal has two types of valency: primary valency or ionizable valency, and secondary valency or non-ionizable valency. Means every metal has two types of valency: primary valency, that is ionizable valency, and secondary valency or non-ionizable valency. From the definition, it is clear that primary valency corresponds to the oxidation state of metal atom ion. Okay, metal atom or ion, and the primary valency of the metal is always attached to the negatively charged ion. Okay, the attachment of central metal ion with the negative ion shown by dotted lines. See here, this is cobalt I have taken. This is hexaamino cobalt chloride, cobalt 3 chloride. Cobalt 3 or 2, cobalt 2 chloride, because 2 positive charge here, so cobalt 2 chloride. So here you will see that Cl, this is second primary valency, and 6 ligands around cobalt, so this is secondary valency. So secondary valency correspond to coordination number of metal ion, and primary valency correspond to the charge on the this metal ion. Here cobalt is having 2 positive charge, so we will say primary valency of cobalt is 2 plus 2. Okay, now or simply we can say 2. Now we will see that what are the evidence of it. So secondary valency correspond to coordination number of metal ion. You understand that how many ligands are surrounding to the central metal atom, that decides that is known as the coordination number. If 6 ligands are there, so we will call that this is secondary valency of cobalt is 6. If 4 ligands are there, then secondary valency will be 4. Okay, now evidence for Werner theory. Chemical evidence, when we will see that if we are taking COCl3.6NH3, 3 mole of AgCl is obtained, it means 3 moles of Cl, thrice of Cl negative will be obtained by the ionization. So the compound will be CONH36, Cl3, 3Cl3 will be outside. So this is complex ion, this is counter ion. And this way, if it is giving 2 moles of AgCl, so formula will be like this: CONH3 Cl, Cl2. So this Cl will remain in the coordination sphere, so I have not written it. Only